Good morning, everybody. Mrs. Borin here, and today our story is a nonfiction about weather from National Geographic Kids. Look at that fantastic storm going on there. Tornado touching down. Okay, so today it's about weather. Weather's fascinating. I love studying about weather. Look at those beautiful lightning strikes and dark clouds. If anybody has met Miss Borin and knows me, they know that I absolutely love rainy days. Are my favorite days. I love rain, I love thunder and lightning and everything exciting about weather. So this book was made for me. All right, look up at the sky. The weather helps us know what to wear and do and grow. It brings rain, wind, and sun. Let's go outside for some fun. So look at the beautiful weather they're enjoying out there. That looks like fun. Nice skies with a little bit of clouds. Okay, sunny day. So what is weather? It says peek out your window at the sky. Is it sunny or cloudy? Is it rainy or windy? You are checking the weather. Weather is what it's like outside at one place at one time. But keep a lookout, weather can change fast. So they're looking outside, it's all super sunny. Look at their weather they're experiencing. Looks like they're stuck in rain and loving it in their fun little rain jackets. Looks like they're trying to catch raindrops in their mouth. The sun, all right. The sun warms the land, and it warms the air and the water too. The sun's heat and light help things to grow. Plants and animals need sunshine to live. So when it says the weather helps know what to grow, that's what it's talking about. Some plants need lots and lots of sun to grow and change. A lot of animals do too. All right, here we go. You ready? Why did the woman go outside with her purse open? She expected some change in the weather. It's a funny joke. Tell that to your moms and dads. Sunny days are fun. You can play outside. Will you go to the park or would you ride a bike? The sun can make the air outside hot. You can cool off with a swim. So they're saying they're outside playing and they get really, really hot. It's nice because you can also jump in a swimming pool. Get cooled off if it's really nice warm weather outside. Clouds. Tiny water droplets float in the air. They group together and they make clouds of all different shapes and sizes. White fluffy clouds mean good weather, okay? And this is an example, these big puffy clouds. These are called cumulus clouds. They're the big fluffy ones that look like cotton balls. Okay, here's another joke. Ready? What does a cloud wear under its clothes? Thunderwear. That's a good one to remember. I like that one. Okay. Flat gray clouds bring rain. Okay, those are called stratus. So here's an example of a stratus cloud, these dark, flat gray ones. That's a beautiful picture. Some clouds are thin and wispy, and they can look like curls of hair. These clouds float really high up in the sky. These are called cirrus clouds. See, these are the wispy ones. Stratus, cirrus. Okay. Cirrus clouds are very, very high. They're much higher up in the sky than other clouds, so they also have more ice crystals up in them. I was told one time that's what makes them look so wispy. What comes from clouds? I think you guys know the answer. What comes from clouds? Drip, drop, down comes the rain. Water droplets in clouds sometimes fall as rain. Rain falls in warm and in cool weather. Rain helps plants and animals to live. It fills the rivers and the ponds. Rain forms puddles on the sidewalks. Splash. Look at this little frog putting his hand up. He's on a leaf that has a bunch of rain coming on it. I don't know what he's doing, but that's a funny picture, isn't it? Look at those raindrops bouncing all around him. Look at his red eyes. That's cool. Red-eyed tree frog. Okay, ready? Another joke. What did the cloud say to the lightning bolt? You're shocking. These silly jokes. Okay. Now it's cold outside. The water droplets in clouds sometimes freeze, and they can fall down as hail or as snow. If it's hail, you'll see ice. If it's snow, you might get a flurry. Often, a lot of snow means a snow day. Look at that guy sliding down on the snow. That's beautiful. Lightning and thunder. Miss Borin's favorite section. Okay, lightning is super hot stream of electricity. It lights up the sky, flash, and it zips from the cloud toward the ground. After lightning comes a big boom. That sound is called thunder. Okay, there's a picture of a city, and look at that huge lightning bolt coming down and breaking off to hit the ground. And there's some lighter ones over here too. But if you look at the size of like that skyscraper building, look how big the lightning bolt is. Lightning's exciting. It's so powerful and strong, and it's beautiful when you see it at night, I think. Rainbows. Have you ever seen a rainbow after a storm? Rainbows are made from sunlight and water droplets. Rainbows paint bright stripes of color in the sky. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Which is your favorite color? Look at that rainbow. It's a beautiful picture of one. You can see the whole thing really, really bright. I have a joke for you. What falls but can never get up? Snow. Isn't that a funny one? All right. Ways weather can be wild. Sometimes water flows where it's usually dry, and that's called a flood. So that's number one. Can you see that it's showing, where my camera is? A flood here. That's wild weather. Hail is ice that rains from the sky. It can be small or it can be bigger than a baseball. Look at some of these hailstones here in this person's hand. Wow, big chunks of ice. Number three, a hurricane brings heavy rain and strong winds. So you can see the huge waves that these hurricane winds are pushing in. And the poor tree's like bent over. It's blowing so hard. Number four, a very, very strong wind. Sometimes they twist and they form a tornado. And that's what that is. And that's also what was on the cover, a tornado. You can see all the destruction here at the bottom where it's picking stuff up and throwing it. Number five, it's hard to see in a blizzard. So that's a snow blizzard. That's more wild weather. Look at the snow blizzard. So a blizzard generally is where there's a lot of snow, but it's also so much wind that you can't see. It's very hard to see in a blizzard. Number six, sometimes it doesn't rain for a really long time. We know about that where we live in the desert. This is called a drought. Okay, that's a drought. Look at the dry ground cracking because it's so dry. All right, wind. That's another part of weather. Wind is just moving air. Okay, a light wind is called a breeze. A strong wind is called a gale, G-A-L-E, gale. Wind has energy. It pushes clouds and rain across the sky. Wind can make kites dance. Look at that, that's awesome. Look at their kites dancing up in the wind. Weather and me. The weather helps you plan your day. Should you wear sunglasses or rain boots? Will you swim or will you throw snowballs? Wherever you go, the weather is always with you. Okay, does that make sense? Think about that. Wherever you go, the weather's always there with you. So here's a picture of and getting ready for rain. They are enjoying some sun in the water, and they're enjoying some snow. Look at the snowball up there. It looks like they're throwing at each other. What goes up in the rain? Sorry, what goes up when the rain is coming down? An umbrella. All right, our last page says, what in the world? These pictures are close-up views of weather things. Use the hints to figure out what each picture is. Let's see if we can do it by ourselves here. Okay, what is that? Did you say sunglasses? You got it right. What do you think number 2 is? Look at those. What is that? It says, the hint is they fall as a flurry in a blizzard. Those are snowflakes falling down. Isn't that pretty? Number 3, this goes up when the rain comes down. What is that? It's an umbrella, right? Number 4, oh, I think you're gonna guess this one. I like this one. The hint is it's a stream of electricity. What is that? You guessed lightning bolt, you're right. Number 5 says they come in all shapes and sizes. What are those? No, it's not cotton candy, and no, it's not a cotton ball. What is it? Clouds, right? And our last one says they fall from the clouds in weather, warm weather. What is that? What are these things falling? If you said raindrops, you got it right. All right, guys, thanks for being good listeners about weather, our nonfiction book for today. All right, bye, Miss Borin's classroom.